My name is Teacher Angel, and today we are going to talk about the three cell theories. First theory, all organisms are made up of cells. Lahat ng nabubuhay ay merong cell. Pwede itong unicellular or ibig sabihin nag-iisang cell lang, or pwede ding multicellular o binubuo ng dalawa at higit pang mga cell. Second, cell is the basic unit of life. Para siyang 100 pesos. Walang 100 kung walang 25 centavos. The same thing with our cells. Lahat ng basic function, bakit tayo humihinga, bakit tayo nakakapagsalita, bakit tayo tumitibok ang ating puso, and that is because of the functions of the cell. The third one, cells are made up of pre-existing cells. At dyan pumapasok ang cell division. Dyan pumapasok ang isang feature ng isang living organism, ang reproduction. May capacity tayo na mag-multiply. At dahil yan sa ating cells. So, can we learn from these three theories sa ating buhay? First, foundation. Mahalaga ang isang foundation sa ating buhay. Hindi pwedeng bara-bara, hindi pwedeng basta-basta tayo kailangan na bibuild sa atin ang foundation. Second, already have our God-given talent, and these talents can be used para mas lalo nating mapalawak at mas lalo nating mapaunlad ang ating sarili. And lastly, minsan akala natin maliit na bagay lang. Pero hindi natin alam yung maliit na bagay na yon, seemingly small, minsan nga is seemingly insignificant. It could also contribute into something bigger. Yung mga ginagawa natin, one step at a time, it may be very small, but it would contribute to the bigger picture. Same thing, even kindness, guys. So even if kindness seems to be very insignificant sa everyday nating ginagawa, but we do not know its impact. So, good morning and thank you for watching. Happy Science! Bye!